global comparison systems to my channel Faisal Azib. In this video, I will show you how to use link and action in your slide. What is link? What is action? Link, we use it to make a relation between slides. I will show you this, and action is the second step. So, to see how to link work, so I will insert shape. For example, this one, like this. No, don't worry about it. It is not necessary to change the background. And third will be, I think, more big. See the difference between all of them. So here I will put what slide 4, for example. I want to link from here to slide 4, here slide 7, and here slide 10. Okay, what does it mean here? Here, when I click to this shape, I will go directly to the slide 4, and same thing here, but in slide 10 I will make another thing. How I make this link? From when I click here, I will go directly to the slide 4. Okay, so to do this, I go to the home menu, insert, and now I have link and action. I will start with link. I have a lot of things here, a lot of options. I can link this shape to another file, or I can link it also to what I want to do current slide, to do any slide, what I want. I will place it in this document. So here I want to link this shape to slide 4. I click the slide 4 and OK. The same thing with slide 7. So link slide 7. But what I have to do? Repeat. Sorry. Link, not in the text. Slide 7. But for this one, I will not use a link here. I will use an action. What is the difference between link and action? I will click into action. Here I have more option than the link. I can make the same thing that the link, I mean, in mouse click, when I click, I will use hyperlink to, and here I will choose next slide or slide number that I make before. It's the same thing, the same purpose as what I have done in the link. But here I will choose a second option. It is mouse over, but be careful here. If you do it, you will see. Just you pass in the shape, you will jump directly to the slide that you want. So here I will choose mouse over and I will make hyperlink to slide point and slide 10. I can, of course, as you can see, I can run a program, macro, or anything else. I can also play the sound if I want. Also, as you can see, I can highlight one mouse over. Okay, I just let it like this. So now let's see what we got. So I will run the presentation. Oops, let's come back. What is it? Sorry. I come back. Now, look. When I click to the slide here, I will jump directly to the slide 4. Where is it? Our slide 4. Let's repeat. Now I will do it with slide 10. Take. Look here. Just when I make my mouse over, look, oops, I will jump directly to slide 10. So here, be careful. Remember, be careful. If you want to use the mouse over, it is very quick. Tack. Just you move your mouse to the desired place. Shape, text, what you want. You will jump directly to the action that you want. Slide, open the file, and macro, what you want. Just to move your mouse in this object. And here you can use, for example, you can use some trick. For example, if I am here in our slide, if I want to come back to this link and action slide, what I will do, I am here, for example, I will insert a text. So insert text here, and I make back to navigation, and I put it here, like this. I will just change the text to this color. We'll see a lot of text. And here what I will do, I will go to the insert link. It is just trick, link. And what is our slide? It is slide 2. To make something like this, to start where you want. So if I start my presentation from here and I click here, let's just wait our presentation finish. Now when I click, oops, I have linked it or no? Let's see again. Link. There is no link. I don't have make a link, sorry. So it is slide 2. Okay, let's do it again. Now, do you see? I don't have, I don't do it before. That is why I don't see it. So as you can see, just by making back to navigation, I am going to come back to our presentation or desired slide. So here is the difference between link and action. I don't know why I passed directly to I will see why I passed directly to this slide. It is, maybe I forgot something. But here is how to use your link and action. So link to make the relation between some object to another object, slide, file, anything else. And action is has more options than the link. You can make the same thing as a link, but also you can make it with mouse over. When you move your mouse to the desired object, you will get your action. So I hope that you have understand how to use the link and action. And it is the last video about the chapter polishing. I will start new chapter about new idea for design. Yeah, it is a new idea. Let me show you how to use them. So stay with us. Follow, subscribe to my channel. Thanks Razib. Like this video, share it with your friends. Take care of us. I tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.